Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious Mexican red spaghetti. In case you just want to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 16 ounces of spaghetti pasta, 1 cup of crema mexicana, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 3 Roma tomatoes, a half of a small white onion, 1 garlic clove, 2 chile chipotles in adobo sauce, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 bay leaves, 1.5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to grab a large pot. We're going to fill it up with water. We're going to set it on high heat. And to our water, we're going to add salt, oil, our 2 bay leaves, and half of our onion. So we're just going to wait for our water to come to a boil. Alright, so once our water comes to a boil, we're going to add our spaghetti. And I'm just going to break mine in half. And now we're going to cook it between 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, your spaghetti should be nice and soft. So now we're just going to turn it off. We're going to reserve 2 cups of our water. And now we're just going to drain the water and remove the onion and the bay leaves. Okay, so now in a blender, we're going to add our cream cheese. And make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. Our chipotle peppers. Our beef bouillon and cumin. Along with the other piece of onion. Our Roma tomatoes. Garlic clove. And we're going to mix it with our 2 cups of water broth. Alright, so now blend everything together until we have a smooth broth. Alright, so once we have our tomato broth, now we are ready to make our spaghetti. Okay, so now we're going to grab the same pot that we used to boil our pasta. We're going to set it on medium heat and we're going to add our butter. So we're just going to wait for the butter to melt. Alright, so once our butter has melted, we're going to add our tomato broth. And now we're going to add our crema mexicana. So now just mix it. And we're going to bring our broth to a simmer. Okay guys, so once our tomato broth begins to simmer, at this point you want to try it for salt and see if it needs any. For me it's perfect, so we're going to leave it as it is. And now we're going to throw in our spaghetti. Alright, so now just mix it with your sauce. Reduce the heat to low. Okay. And now I'm just going to add some cheese. But of course it's all optional. If you don't want to add it, it's fine. Okay. Now we're just going to cover it and let the cheese melt for 2 minutes. Alright guys, so after a couple minutes, our Mexican red spaghetti is done and now we are ready to serve. You can serve it with your favorite guisados, chipotle meatballs, whatever you prefer to serve it with, or you can just enjoy it like this. It's seriously super delicious. Alright, so today we're just going to enjoy it by itself. Grab a bowl. Let me tell you, the kids love this spaghetti. Alright, so I'm just going to top it with some queso cotija. You can also top it with some queso fresco. But now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys, like I said, you can serve it with your favorite guisados, with your Mexican meatballs, even with a piece of grilled chicken, your mole, your asado de boda, anything. It's seriously super delicious and everybody enjoys it. You ready? Mm-hmm. So creamy, super flavorful. Ready?
Yeah, wait.
Come on, take a big bite, don't be shy.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Cheers and enjoy. Mm-hmm. That was hot. But it's seriously super delicious. Like I said, so flavorful. Everybody will enjoy it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a delicious Mexican red spaghetti. I hope you guys started watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.